Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to create and use a Psiphon server with the ZPN client. This method can help you enjoy a safer, more private browsing experience. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, type ZPN and then tap the Install button once you find the app. After installation, open the ZPN app. You'll land on the home screen, where we'll configure the settings shortly. Step 2. Now, let's generate a Psiphon server. Open any web browser and search for UDP Custom. From the search results, go to the UDP Custom website. Scroll down to the Services section and select Psiphon Server. Tap on the Create Server button and wait a few seconds. Once the server is generated, copy the server address to your clipboard. Step 3. Return to the ZPN app. On the home screen, you'll see several connection options. Enable the Psiphon protocol by checking its box. Next, tap the gear icon to access the settings. From the menu, select Psiphon Server and paste the server address you copied earlier into the appropriate field. If needed, you can also enter the required details in the designated area. Step 4. Once everything is set up, return to the home screen and tap the Start button. The ZPN app will now connect using the Psiphon protocol. Congratulations! You're now connected to a Psiphon server using the ZPN client. Enjoy enhanced privacy and a more secure browsing experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, sharing it with friends, and subscribing to the channel for more tech tutorials and privacy tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.